Did you know a physicist actually recreated the real sound of the Big Bang? And it sounds nothing like an explosion? Using NASA satellite data, scientists converted the actual sound waves of the early universe into audio. Not a bang, not a crash. The early universe was so small and dense that sound waves rolled through the entire cosmos like a magnitude 9 earthquake ringing through everything at once. But the sound was so deep, so far below human hearing, that scientists had to boost the frequency 100 septillion times just to make it audible. When you hear it, it's a slow, low creaking hum that fades into silence. That fading moment is when the universe grew too large for its own voice to survive.